Hello guys, it's Zaki the FEDF here. Today we're going to be removing the door hinge thingy. So yeah, this one, the screw is missing. So yeah, I don't want to keep this anymore because this is useless. The door's gone. It can't go on it anymore. So yeah, I have to remove it. So yeah, wait, let me screw back to check something. So yeah, the screw right here is loose. So, and yeah, or the screw right here is gone. So it's a little bit loose. So what I'm gonna do is removing it. Just gonna move this. The door of this Electrolux was my favorite part, and yeah, got broken. So yeah, oh wait, I have to push it up. There you go. Wait, and after that, there will be something on the back. So yeah, I already removed the door seal right here. I'm just gonna open this, and there will be this thing. This one. Or I'm just gonna put it inside. I'm gonna keep it. Or actually, never mind. I'm gonna just put it right here. There we go. So, what am I supposed to do? How do I put it back? Oh wait, there you go. Got this heavy door hinge. So yeah, for my next video, I'll be showing like the tub. And yeah, I'll be doing something to the paddles. So yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I can use this as a weapon. So yeah, I'm just right here. Oh, wait, what? This is strong. So yeah, I'll be putting this here. Well done. So yeah, this Daewoo washer will be soon. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.